Today I'm going to show you how to create this classic look which is perfect for a date night. So let's start by prepping the skin. For that I'm going to use the moisturizer from Laneige, and for lips I'm using the Burt's Bees lip balm. For under eye area and for the pimple mark I'm going to use this concealer from Maybelline. And foundation I'm using from the same range, Fit Me. I'm using Beauty Blender to blend in the foundation and concealer. I'm using compact from Revlon on my eyelids and under eye area. Base is done. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I've done my eyebrows. Now let's start with the simple basic eye makeup. I'm using this palette from Maybelline New York. It's from the nude range. I'm using this shade. So this shade just brightens up your eyes. So that is why I'm using this shade on my eyelids. I'm skipping the eyeliner for this look, and instead I'm using kajal for my upper waterline. This technique gives kind of a fuller look to your eyelashes. And talking about eyelashes, now I'm going to curl my eyelashes quickly. And I'm going to apply mascara. Now I'm done with my eye makeup, so I'm going to keep it as simple as it looks. So now is the next part. Before starting with lip, I'm going to apply a hint of blush on my cheeks. I'm going to use the same blender to blend in the blush. Next step is the key for this look, lips, for which I'm going to use the lipstick from Sephora, and the shade is Always Red. So this is the final look I created. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.